Welcome to HIPPO Farm, located in Dong Nai, just a 1-hour drive from Ho Chi Minh City. It's a wonderful holiday destination offering horse riding and permaculture experiences. As we step into the farm, we are greeted by the presence of domestic animals and Whiskey, our adventurous furry friend, already exploring the area. Whiskey happily sniffs around, making new animal friends along the way. The farm's buildings and surroundings are thoughtfully designed to incorporate a nature-friendly ecosystem. With the tropical weather, Whiskey seeks ways to cool down, and his brother's relaxing time provides the perfect opportunity. They even have dry toilets to conserve water and use husks to prevent odors. The bungalow doesn't have an air conditioner, but the natural cooling system works well. The family visited during the low season, coinciding with Tet when many Vietnamese people return to their hometowns. As a result, they have the entire dining area to themselves. Whiskey's brother is also relishing in the tranquility and freedom. He finds solace in listening to music while engaging in some exercise, right next to Whiskey. The farm's buildings and surroundings are adorned with low-maintenance, local plants, offering shade and a refreshing atmosphere, harmoniously blending nature and comfort. Over at the ping-pong table, Whiskey's dad and brother engage in a game. Whiskey, being the curious one, watches with wonder, trying to understand the mysterious game of ping-pong. He patiently waits for them to finish. As lunchtime approaches, the family is invited to a crepe party. Whiskey's brother's favorite is the Nutella crepe. The aroma fills the air, tempting Whiskey's taste buds.
Too much.
Nutella is never too much.
Okay.
Never too much.
Yeah.
위스키 형 어디 있어? 왜 위스키? 형 있어.
In this farm, Whiskey feels right at home, surrounded by his loving family. It may seem like Whiskey's brother is playing with him, but in reality, Whiskey takes on the role of a playful babysitter for his older brother. Thank you all for joining us on this unforgettable holiday trip with Whiskey. Don't forget to subscribe for more entertaining adventures with our furry friend.